This will be one of the quickest and simplest guides to discipline that you will find, because the concept is very simple. It's the concept of the self image, how you see yourself. Imagine if you saw yourself as a disciplined person. That would make you disciplined in every area of your life without any resistance. It's exactly like how a video gamer, sorry, sees himself as a video gamer. And therefore, playing video games is super simple. Imagine if you saw yourself as a disciplined person. Being disciplined would be just you. That's who you are. There will be no resistance to being disciplined. And this is what I'll teach you in this video, how you can build a disciplined self-image that will make everything just fun, easy, simple, and you will skyrocket your progress in life. My name is Hazem, and I teach people how they can build a self-image that will completely change their lives. And in this video, I'll tell you how you can build a disciplined self-image. And there's really just one simple step. You find actions, or you think about actions, and you do them with intention. That's literally it. What does a disciplined person do? He thinks, okay, I should go to the gym, or should I watch a movie? He says, okay, I'm going to the gym, because that's what a disciplined person does. He knows that he should go to the gym because that's what will help him. That's the disciplined action. So he goes to the gym. So the only thing that makes you not disciplined is that you don't see yourself as a disciplined person and you don't think like one. But when you see yourself as a disciplined person, you will think like one and you'll act like one, because your thoughts and actions align to your self-image. So again, there's one simple step. When you think something, do it instantly without even thinking and with intention. I want you tomorrow, you wake up, make your bed. Instantly make up your bed. Make up your bed, make up your bed. Wake up, make up your bed. And then go brush your teeth. And then the next thought you have, do it. Except if it's a bad thought, that's another thing. If you maybe, for example, you brush your teeth. After you brush your teeth, you say, okay, I should probably clean my room, or I can do this other thing that's much more fun. Without even thinking, don't give yourself time to actually think about the other option. When you get the productive task in your mind, instantly start your legs and just walk to the place of that action. That's it, that's simply it. And you do that with intention. So you wake up and you do your bed, you make your bed. Put intention into making the bed. Just think, okay, I'm actually disciplined. I woke up and I instantly made my bed. That's a disciplined person's actions. I made my bed, and just, for example, just do something new with the bed. Just to get the cover over here and the cover over, make it look good. And say, okay, I did this. I'm disciplined, because no one actually makes his or her bed in a pretty clean way. So you're actually disciplined and you did something that most people don't do. So now go brush your teeth. And then you brush your teeth and just put more intention into it. Most people don't brush their teeth. That's a fact. Most people don't brush their teeth. Just brush your teeth and know that you're doing something that's kind of disciplined. And then after you go out of the bathroom, just think, okay, what should I do next? You'll get probably more than two thoughts, but one of them is a disciplined action. I should go to the gym, or I can watch a movie, or I can play video games. Instantly, without thinking, go to the gym. Start wearing your gym clothes. Instantly, without thinking. And then realize with intention that you're doing something super disciplined. Most people would sit on their beds and watch a movie. You're now disciplined. That's it. That's basically it. Now it's just you repeating disciplined actions and using intention to make your mind realize. And when your mind realizes that you're doing disciplined actions, this is when everything changes. Because after the first disciplined action, then the second one, and then the third one, and then the fourth one, and you keep doing these disciplined actions without even thinking, instantly you're doing them. And you're doing them with intention, so you're telling yourself, yeah, I'm doing this, and I'm actually pretty disciplined, because no one would do this. Most people would just do something other than this that's much easier. So now you're doing it and you're doing it, and your mind will start to realize, wait, he's becoming more disciplined. He's actually disciplined. Wait, that's weird. He's getting even more disciplined. What is happening? And so it will update your self-image. Your mind will update your self-image to a very, very disciplined person who does everything that he knows he should do. Imagine having that self-image. Imagine that whenever you think about something and you know you should do it, you just do it with absolutely no resistance. Imagine that type of power. Imagine how much progress you can get from life using that self-image. And again, it's just one simple step. Find the action, think the action, do it instantly with intention. Again, I'll keep ranting because the first 3 minutes of the video or the first 4 minutes, that's basically it, because I say step 1 and that's it. Now I'm just ranting so that you understand it perfectly. You will keep doing disciplined actions when you think about it. When you think about it, you know, for some days, for example, you've woken up and you said, okay, I have some homework that I should probably do, and I have an essay that's due after tomorrow. Yeah, I'll play video games. That's you not being disciplined. But if you had disciplined self-image, you'll think, okay, I have some homework that I should do and I have an essay. Okay, so you instantly start working on those things. You instantly start working on the homework, on the essay. And when you work on the homework and you work on the essay and you use intention, you say, most people don't do this. Most people won't wake up and do their homework and the things they should do instantly. I'm actually disciplined. And then put some more intention into the homework. Just do it and try to actually think about the homework pretty well. Think about the questions pretty well. Contemplate the questions really well. Just add a little spice of intention so that your mind realizes, wait, he's doing something that's super disciplined. That must mean he's disciplined. So let's update his self-image to a disciplined person, a disciplined self-image. And again, your thoughts and your actions align to the self-image. If your self-image is that of a disciplined person, you'll think disciplined thoughts. You'll act in disciplined ways. That's it. That's the science of the self-image. You'll basically just have disciplined thoughts whenever you say, yeah, I should probably do this or this. Your thoughts will instantly be like, yeah, let's go do this because that's discipline and that will actually make us happier in the long term. And then your actions, you think, yeah, I should probably do this and this, or I can do this. So you take action on doing the thing that's actually productive and that will help you. So again, I'm repeating myself again. It's one simple step. Find an action or think an action. Usually it's you thinking. Like today I woke up and I thought, okay, I can probably just sit on my phone and scroll. But I can also stand up, make my bed, go brush my teeth, and then I can record. So because I've built that disciplined self-image instantly, I thought, okay, I should make my bed. Okay, I made my bed instantly, without thinking. Okay, I can probably sit on my phone or brush my teeth. Brush your teeth instantly. I can probably record or open some video games on it. Record. That's it. You just have to do that with some intention for just 1 day, 2 days, and you'll find that your self-image will have been updated and you'll be consistent. You'll have momentum. and there will be no resistance to being disciplined because you are a person who's disciplined. That's who you are, that's who you've become using that self-image. I hope this video opened up your eyes to the self-image, because the self-image is kind of overpowered, because you can change your self-image into a millionaire self-image, and you'll have the thoughts of a millionaire, the actions of a millionaire, you'll eventually become a millionaire. It's that simple. You just have to do something consistently with intention so that your self-image updates. It's that simple. And if you found that this video is pretty nice and you learned something from it, you will truly enjoy my community, where I'll personally talk to you about your self-image, how you can improve it even more, and you'll also get a full set of courses. So click the link in the description to join my community, where you can talk to me about the things you want to change in your self-image. And click on this video right here to learn how you can build a confident self-image.